Maybe. Let's jump into our top story. Masks on as government tightens down on the 3k mask fine as cases rise. So the National Crisis and Disaster Management Authority, that's NCMA, had a media briefing today where they discussed the developments of COVID-19. Key updates: the UAE has successfully vaccinated 100% of the community. However, COVID-19 is still a prominent threat. There has been a spike in new cases daily, with over 1,000 testing positive, and seeing people waltz around the malls without a mask is a thing of the past. So wearing masks in closed areas is mandatory. As you guys know, it's a 3k fine. Make no mistake, there will be fines. In addition, the Al Hussein Green Pass validity has been reduced to 30 days, from 30 days, to 14, effective from June 15th.
I feel like you meant mask no mistake.
No. Mask no mistake.
So the update will be activated for all categories from June 15th. However, for those who work in the educational sector and students, their app will update from June 20th due to their association with the examination period.
So as usual, as cases rise, we're seeing the capital get a little bit stricter. So the Al Hussein validity has been reduced, and also basically if you're walking around the mall, I think seeing people without their masks is a thing of the past. We are going to see fines. Like, they had an emergency briefing yesterday. We haven't had a briefing in a couple of weeks. It happened last night at 5:30 to make these announcements, to make you guys aware that the pandemic is still happening. Make sure you're quarantining for the right amount of time and wear your mask, because people are getting sick.
I mean, I feel like we've had the second and third wave, and now people are reporting the fourth wave in so many countries where the numbers have just spiked up overnight, and like even health authorities are just not able to understand what's happening. So, you know, in these circumstances, you really want to make sure your loved ones are safe. Like, even if you feel like you're vaccinated, all of that, everyone is around elderly people, those who are prone to, who are susceptible to this disease. So you just want to be safe for them and keep yourself and them safe. My
mom was out last night. I don't know what she was doing, but classic Loran, she's just out and about in Dubai. And as soon as she heard the media briefing, she was like, pegged it home. because she's traveling soon, and she's always careful with her masks, she's always wearing them. But I think, you get the word from the government here, and you know that they have our best interest at heart. And we have been fortunate to live a very comfortable lifestyle the whole way through the pandemic, which we always talk about. But as soon as they step in, they intervene, they make these announcements, make no mistake,
Loran's rushing home.
Loran's rushing home, which means you should have your mask on at the mall. Save Loran.
Follow Loran, guys.